If you want to learn how to use CapCut Music the right way, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to add music in CapCut PC, how to bring in your own audio, how to trim it cleanly, and how to adjust the volume so your edit sounds professional. I'll also point out an important licensing tip because not every track in CapCut is safe to use everywhere. So if you want to avoid muted uploads, flagged videos, or copyright issues, keep watching. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project you want to work on. Before you add any music, make sure your video clips are already imported. You can do this by dragging your clips into the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Once your footage is in place, it becomes much easier to line up your music with your visuals and build the pacing of the video properly. Now let's talk about the two main ways to add music in CapCut. The first method is using CapCut's built-in audio library. To do that, click the Audio tab in the top left menu panel. This opens the Music library where you can browse different genres, moods, and styles. If you already know what kind of sound you want, you can also search for a specific track. Once you find something you like, simply click the plus icon next to the track and CapCut will place it directly onto your timeline. This is the fastest way to test different sounds and see what fits your edit best. The second method is importing your own audio file. This is useful if you want to use music from the YouTube audio library, Pixabay, or any other source that gives you safe-to-use tracks. To do this, import the audio file the same way you would import a video or image, then drag it onto the timeline. This method gives you more control, especially if you already have a track selected for your project and want to keep your style consistent. Now, before you use music from CapCut's library, you need to understand the export and licensing rules. If you have a free account, some audio may export freely, but if a track has a gem or pro tag, CapCut may not let you export with that track included. That means it's important to check the label before you build your final edit around it. And just as important, license safety depends on where you plan to post your video. For CapCut free accounts, music may be safe for personal videos on TikTok, but it is not safe for YouTube or Instagram. That means your video could get flagged or muted if you upload it there. For CapCut Pro accounts, the music may be safe for TikTok personal videos, ads, and brand deals, but it is still not safe for YouTube or Instagram because the license is locked to TikTok. So if you are creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or any platform outside TikTok, the safer choice is to use audio from the YouTube audio library or another source with clear usage rights. Once your audio is on the timeline, the next step is trimming it so it matches your video perfectly. To trim music in CapCut, move the playhead to the point where you want to make the cut. Then click on the audio track so it becomes selected. On Windows, press Ctrl and B to split the audio at the playhead. After that, click the unwanted section and press delete. This is the simplest way to remove parts of a song that don't fit your edit, such as a long intro, a quiet section, or a section that runs too far past the end of the video. If you want the music to feel more polished, you should also work on the volume. Click the audio track again, then go to the basic panel in the top right. From there, lower the volume slider if the music is too loud and competing with your voice or sound effects. If you want smoother audio transitions, use the fade in and fade out sliders. These help the music start gently and end cleanly instead of cutting off abruptly. This small adjustment can make your edit feel much more professional. A good workflow is to first add the music, then trim it to match your video length, and then adjust the volume so it supports the visuals instead of overpowering them. If you are adding voiceover, keep the music low enough that your speech stays clear. If your video is just a montage or a cinematic edit, you can raise the music a little more, but always check that it still sounds balanced. One more tip, always preview your video before exporting. Play it from the beginning, listen for any awkward cuts, volume jumps, or sections where the music clashes with the footage. If something feels off, go back and make a quick adjustment. A few small changes can completely improve the final result. So that's how to use CapCut Music the easy way. Import your media, choose either the built-in library or your own audio, trim the track with Ctrl plus B, remove unwanted sections, and adjust volume and fades for a clean finish. And don't forget the licensing warning, especially if you're uploading to YouTube or Instagram. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.